Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to clear Discover More on AliExpress using your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the AliExpress app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. When you're in the app, make sure you are already logged in with your account. After you are logged in, here you can see the account section at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now in the accounts page, here you can see settings option at the top right. Tap on it. In the settings menu, you need to go to the notification settings. Tap on it. Next up, select push notifications. Here you can see notifications related to the promotions are enabled. So you need to disable this option. So turn it off. And again go back and now go to email subscriptions. Here you can see the announcements, daily deals and exclusive offers notifications are also enabled. So you can disable all of these. Once you disable all of these options, the unnecessary Discover More option would now be disabled. That's it. That's how you can successfully clear the Discover More section on AliExpress. This can help your app to run smoothly and make your browsing experience more personalized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.